Hi, I'm Phil Callaghan. With me today are Scott Lundmark, President of Adventure Golf and Sports, known by its acronym AGS, as well as Arnie Lundmark, who is CEO and Chief Designer. Welcome, gentlemen. We keep hearing about the Modular Advantage Mini Golf system. Can you explain that to me? What is it?
Absolutely.
Go ahead.
So traditional miniature golf is moving earth and pouring concrete, and it can be any theme and space. We created Modular Advantage as an alternative to concrete, so it looks like, feels like concrete, but it's not. With the idea, the Modular Advantage utilizes our patented panel system. So the idea is we can get in and out quicker on the installation side of things, thereby saving the client money, typically 10 to 50% or more savings as compared to concrete. Also, you get 100% permeable space. So for environmentally sensitive states, communities, cities, it's attractive because you don't have the hard surface runoff. So it's really been a terrific product. We introduced it to the market within the last 2 or 3 years, and it's really taken off and been quite a success.
Yeah, we started in 2018, I think, with this product. And just to hitchhike on what Scott's saying, the environmental part of it is very successful. We built a lot of these now. We just completed one for Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island, where we had to work our way through the trees, all environmentally sensitive. We could go over roots, which you can't do with concrete, and they're happy with the end result. We have a crew on another site right now doing the same thing, and we get reports every day, and the owners love it.
What's maintenance like with the Modular Advantage system?
You know, I think it's really very similar to a concrete product, which is low operating costs, low maintenance costs. So basically, as an operator, typically you're going to open up in the morning or before opening and make sure the greens and fairways are clean of any debris and litter. So it's a leaf blower or sweeper and cleaning things up. And then it's a periodic spot check throughout the day. Beyond that, it's pretty much normal wear and tear. So like a concrete course, it's very durable and it's a long, useful life asset for the owner and the operator.
Yeah, one thing I think would be important to an owner here is that when we do the Modular Advantage course, we use a higher grade of turf. So it's a better putting system. And so it uses infill, what we call, and so there's no glue. So on a typical concrete course, it wears out faster, and then you got to take it, strip the glue and everything else. This is going to last longer, and it's a better putting surface. On a traditional concrete course, where you line the edges with bricks, and it's been known in the industry that bricks always come off. People hit them with their putters, people kick them, the glue isn't strong enough, they do it with concrete. So what we've developed is a new technique on the Modular Advantage. We actually have bricks or block edges that are glued right to the turf, so it's very flexible, even if it moves, but it can't be knocked off.
I've also heard that some people that have the Modular Advantage course say that when it rains, like soon after it rains, people can be out there playing right away. That's because of the permeability of the system?
And Arnie hit on it. It's a ballast infill turf, a perforated turf, and then our panel system is perforated. So anytime it rains, that water naturally goes right through the turf, through the panels, through the crushed stone subbase and out. So there's really no hard surface runoff, and that's why it was very attractive for the Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island. The Island Commission was very attractive or sensitive to that water runoff.
I think that we also installed one course that was half concrete and half modular because it was going over a contaminated soil area or something like that, Scott. And it was very successful. It worked. We've got the Modular Advantage on one side and the concrete on the other.
Well, it does sound, though, like a very excellent alternative to concrete construction, though. Yeah. Modular Advantage Mini Golf.
And that example was actually leased land. So if in the event the lease wasn't renewed, they could lift up and relocate that Modular Advantage course somewhere else.
So there is some portability to the Modular Advantage course.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.